灯笼
The lantern, Dēng long, is the traditional lighting tool of China, which also represents merit and joy. The traditional Dēng long is covered by rice paper with candle burning inside. Lights shine through the gossamer rice paper. Dēng longs have diversified patterns. People like to decorate Dēng longs and paint beautiful and auspicious designs on them. We light several Dēng longs, which symbolize happiness and good luck during the Chinese New Year, and enjoy Dēng long shows with family during the Lantern Festival. Now, Dēng longs are still used in all kinds of celebrations. Dēng longs light the night of festivals. Merit and joy spread into different families by these different lanterns.